Are you ready to witness a true shakeup in the iPhone world? Because Apple is finally doing something bold, something it hasn't done in 6 years. We're talking about a completely new camera design, a shift in logo placement and design, tweaks that might make you look twice just to be sure it's actually an iPhone. If you thought the iPhone 15 or 16 were meh upgrades, the iPhone 17 lineup is here to make things interesting again. And we've got exclusive leaks, fresh, hands-on looks, and juicy insider info that you won't want to miss. Let's dive right in. So first up, the visuals. A fresh leak just dropped showcasing what appears to be the first live photo of the iPhone 17 Pro Max in an elegant black finish. But what really caught everyone's attention? The new camera layout. After nearly 6 years of sticking to the same vertical style, Apple is now flipping the game with a horizontal notch and camera repositioning. The camera cutout stands out more than ever thanks to a contrast between glossy and matte glass finishes. It's sleek, it's futuristic. It's Apple finally saying, okay, let's stop copy-pasting and actually innovate. And here's the kicker. While the cameras stay where they are, the flash and LiDAR sensor are moving to the right side. So next time you try to find the flash in the dark, muscle memory might betray you. It's a small change, but for Apple, that's like moving a mountain. Now let's talk about that iconic Apple logo on the back. You know, the thing people use to flex and mirror selfies. Well, get ready for some changes. According to well-known leaker Majin Buu, Apple is shifting the logo lower on the back panel. Why? Because the new camera unit takes up more space, and apparently, even the Apple logo couldn't stand in its way. This might sound like a minor design tweak, but it's actually a big deal for Apple's branding. Think about it. Since 2019, after ditching the iPhone label, the logo sat centered, balancing the whole look. Now, designers are playing Tetris with the back panel. And here's the funny part. Case manufacturers are already working overtime testing cases with this new logo position. That's right. Your next iPhone case might just look a little off-center. But hey, if it's Apple approved, it's fashion, right? So there you have it. A first real look at the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the exciting changes headed our way from a fresh camera cutout to logo drama and insider reveals. The iPhone 17 lineup might finally be worth the hype. What do you think about the new design? Love it? Or still team iPhone 12? If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more tech updates, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more juicy leaks and reviews, and tap the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive, especially our upcoming video comparing iPhone 17 versus Galaxy S25 and whether Apple can still dominate in 2025. Check out the video on the end screen now. Trust me, you won't regret it. Until next time, stay blessed, stay curious, and peace out.